Hey guys, Eric here from Titan Fuel Tanks. Today we're going to talk about the TITAN Tech DTE Programmer. It's a very easy to use solution, non-intrusive to your vehicle, and let's walk through it real quick. So first things first, all you're going to want to do is get in your truck. You're going to want to turn it to full accessory mode, so one click before it actually turns on. And then you're just going to plug the TITAN Tech directly into your OBD-II port. Once you have the TITAN Tech plugged in, you're just going to wait for the light to change color or the horn to beep. Once that happens, all you got to do is simply unplug it, and that's it. TITAN Tech has automatically changed your parameters. What we like to tell people is keep your TITAN Tech either in your glove box or somewhere where you remember where it will be. That way, if your truck does an automatic update, you take it to a dealer and they reset your factory settings, you can simply walk through this process again and you're set for your TITAN tank.